water supply in the galaxy. Initiate the hydro harvesters and sap this planet dry. Copy that, Chairman. You heard him, team. Activate all harvesters and deploy ground teams. If anyone even gets close to those harvesters, ice them.
Pokitaru's water supply was in trouble. If Ratchet and Clank failed to destroy Drek's hydro harvesters, this tropical paradise would become a desert wasteland.
Got one upgrade again. Another bouncer.
That ought to do it.
Over here.
Hey, over here.
It's locked.
Hey, over here! Hey, over here!
Well, dip me in breadcrumbs and feed me to a snagglebeast. Grim told me he was friends with the Lombacks, but I didn't believe him. I've never seen one in real life before. You must be Ratchet.
This is so weird. The resemblance. It's...
Uncanny, I know.
Grim asked us to help you destroy Drek's hydro harvesters.
If you're gonna destroy those things, we're gonna have to upgrade your ship. It just so happens the best upgrade guy in the galaxy is here for a comic book convention, right? Follow me, I'll take you to him.
Fucking sweet!
The Puffoids have been coming ashore ever since the Blarg started attacking. Nasty little devils, but tasty if you know how to cook them. It's a telepathopus!
Fucking really?
Mr. Zircon is here.
I hate these stupid things.
Why do you hide, stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you. Mr. Zircon gives you like a gentle suffering.
He's down.
Hey, that was pretty good.
Oh, I got a bunch of cards I need to open.
My brother teach you to do that?
I shall let you live.
Come on, my boat's this way!
Inside, Mr. Zircon lives only to kill.
This is a very unsafe looking boat. Open side. Just some random ass fish could jump up
I
and
actually
fucking
had a
kill you.
lovely fishing trip planned before these hydro harvesters showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Going on about 10 years now. The fishing was just starting to get good, too.
All these fucking fish.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Oh, Bolt, get back here.
You are not fit to fight.
Let's keep moving. Oh, boy, more Puffoids. You two can handle this, right? I'm more into fishing than fighting. You understand?
Fuck you, fish.
I think you got them all. Come on.
Here comes some more.
These fish look pissed off.
Wow, you look at that. Over there's the Torgoff waterfall. Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking for gold bolts and such. Then one day he dared me to ride down in a barrel. I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days.
God damn, another one!
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Ow!
Oh, great. More Puffoids.
Don't worry about the fucking pumpoids. I can just telepathopus.
I think you got them all. Come on.
Over there. More bolt. This is pretty. Need to kill those fucking
So
shit,
how's
though.
old Grim doing these days? I haven't heard much from him since we moved here from the Polaris galaxy. He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Velden. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs, that sort of thing.
And now you're a galactic ranger. Grim must be so proud.
Actually, I don't know. I was supposed to help him with some proton scrubs, but I left in kind of a hurry. Hope he's not too angry with me.
Ah, he'll be all right. You're out protecting the galaxy. What's that compared to a few proton scrubs?
Why do you hide, sneaky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes...
My friend's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out.
I'm ready to upgrade my ship. It's been long overdue.
Ah, great. The bridge is out. These blarg are really starting to cramp my fishing trip. Do me a favor and see if you can activate it from the other side.
Here, you lazy bum. Don't
Thanks.
you know how to
Come
jump?
on, it's not too far now.
Learn to fucking jump.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Oh boy, that's not good. Looks like the blarg have reached the city.
Looks like we're on it. Stay here and keep safe.
Yeah, Ratchet and Clank here to save the day. As usual.
Why do you hide, sneaky
Enemy down!
Level up. Give me all your nuts and bolts. He
I'm
can jump.
coming. Sorry,
He can jump.
I'm a little out of shape.
Don't tell me he can't jump. Anybody can jump if they put their mind to it.
Look, over there! The Pokitaru Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any luck, my engineer friend will be there. The guys on my holo game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
I got no fucking ammo, really?
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Why do you hide, sneaky aliens? Mr. Zircon only
Another one!
wishes for to kill you.
Going on out there?
I'm not fucking DJ Khaled.
To sing my soul-stirring rendition of Lexi Orion, Ain't No One Gonna Love Me. And they're ruining the moment.
Oh, that was easy.
Need some net.
I'm coming. Be patient. Good work. Okay, let's get inside. Hey, Al! Can you open up?
What's the secret password?
Oh, come on. Don't make me say it.
Well, your call. I have Lexi Orion's entire anthology here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
The glory of his level 20 spellcaster burns brighter than the 4th star of Julius Major.
Hey, Ratchet, Clank! Small galaxy. How's my lady Cora doing?
Yeah, she's good. Listen, we're here to help take out these hydro harvesters. You think you can help us upgrade our onboard weapon system?
always happy to help the Galactic Rangers. How about a Tesla Blast weapon kit? It uses polarized electro-emitters to increase propulsion by 128.7%. Even a raritanium hull is no match for those babies.
Sounds like exactly what we need. You lead the way. We'll cover you.
More fucking fighting, random ass fucking shit. I just want my ship upgraded. Things we do for cool
I'm
shit.
starting to get real tired of these blarg. You know, they showed up just as I was about to speak on a panel about everything wrong with comic book-based holo films. All the great bloggers were on it. Me, Stuart Zergo, Obsidia Van Schmoot.
Van Schmoot was there? Really? Oh, I love her. She hates everything.
There isn't a holo film, game, or online product launch she hasn't shredded in the comment section. You know, that kind of judgment takes real skill.
Or just a troll. You know, people doing that. People do that shit
We have
every day.
reached our destination.
Every day. Come on, you guys move too damn slow. Stop fucking pushing me.
Try up, locked and loaded.
I want that. I want that. I want it. I want it. I'm gonna get it. I'm right there. I almost have it.
Here we are. All right, let's pop the hood and get you that weapon system. Reinstalling weapon software. Rebooting system. Done.
Tesla Blast weapon kit detected. Happy hunting.
Oh yeah.
What are you waiting for? Take out those hydro harvesters.
Remember, normal ammunition won't damage those hydro harvesters. Use your Tesla rockets. Shoot down those Blarg saucers. They'll drop ammo and health for you to pick up.
Okay. Oh shit.
It's working!
Awesome shot.
You got it!
Ship repaired.
Ship fight. Oh fuck.
Tesla Blast rockets acquired.
You got it! That's one hydro harvester down, 2 to go.
Chairman, one of the Galactic Rangers is on Pokitaru. He's taking out our hydro harvesters. Now you listen to me. I want that water. Failure is not an option. Destroy the Galactic Ranger, or I'll make sure the first person buried on our new planet is you! Yes, Chairman.
Guess what, Chairman?
Yeah, one hydro harvester left.
You guys gonna die. I'm gonna get that agua back. This isn't California. We're not supposed to be in a drought.
Tesla Blast rockets acquired.
Enemy destroyed!
Oh boy.
Those saucers are about to attack.
Where's the hydro harvester at? There you are.
Nice shot!
Ammo acquired.
Nailed one!
That's all of them.
You two saved the resort, and probably the entire planet.
All in a day's work.
Do what I can.
That's incredible! Say, if you two need any more upgrades, I'm your guy. How about a new thruster pack? I just downloaded the holo plans last night and they are sweet.
That certainly sounds useful.
Recalibrating the avionics port, updating the software, updating, still updating, and presto! She's all ready for you. Technically, you need a Class B license to operate one of these beauties. But what the heck? You two are Galactic Rangers. It should help you access those pumping stations.
Yeah. I have enough.
I got all kinds of stuff to make heroes more heroic. Take a look.
Getting it.
Oh, good luck with your warmonger.
Yeah. Holy fucking shit!
Security barrier disabled.
Perhaps we can find our way into the pumping station now.